This video guides you through the process of making applications available to your remote users via Rhosting. This is a key feature that allows you to control which applications you...
Step 1. Access the application publishing interface. Open the main Rhosting Remote Access window. Click on the App icon. Step 2. Add a new application to publish. Click the Application button. Click the folder icon next to the path/filename field to browse for the executable file of the application you wish to publish. Select the desired application's executable file, for example, expressinvoice.exe. Click Open. The path to the file will automatically populate the path/filename field. In the Display Name field, enter a user-friendly name for the application, for example, Invoice System. Click the Save button to publish the application.
Important. Users must sign off before assign applications. This indicates that any users currently logged into Rhosting must sign out.
Click the application you just published to select it. Click the Add User button. A new dialog titled Select Users or Groups will open. Click the Find Now button to display a list of all users and groups available on your server. Select the users or groups you want to grant access to, for example, Test1, Test2, Test3, by holding down the Control key and clicking on each user. Click OK to confirm your selection.
By following these steps, you can effectively control and manage which applications are accessible to your remote users through Rhosting.